Cognitive brain health, the surprising cognitive benefit of this powerhouse supplement. Now, welcome to the next edition of Biohacker Bulletin. My name is Jim O'Connor from Biohacker Bulletin at biohackerbulletin.com. Now, creatine. When you think of creatine, you're probably thinking about building big muscles and running faster. Guess what? There's a lot of research that's showing that it can help your brain health, so you can perform at a peak capacity brain-wise. So what happens to the brain uses a lot of ATP in day-to-day activities. A lot of ATP is used. So what creatine does, by taking creatine, the research shows it increases phosphocreatine stores in your brain, which helps produce more ATP, which will help you function a little bit better mentally. It also increases dopamine levels and mitochondrial function in your brain. That's what the research is showing. So benefits of creatine, and this is research back now. It'll increase brain function. It'll protect against neurological disease, as well as help maintain muscle and strength. Of course, that's important too. As far as your cognitive abilities, improve cognitive function, improve potential neurological protective effects, as well as enhance memory and brain processing speed. So how do you use it? It's 3 to 5 grams per day. So yes, consider creatine monohydrate if you want peak brain capacity. Now, if you like this video, click like right now, and don't forget to subscribe for 100% free to Biohacker Bulletin. Click the link below, and for 100% free, I'll take you to my website, and you can get a subscription so you won't miss any of this great content to help you look better, feel better, and to perform better. Yes, consider creatine monohydrate for brain health. Take care and have a great day.